We're going to be making purple mashed sweet potatoes. So what I like to add in here, I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Can you see me now?
Yes, I can.
So I'm just going to add a few drops of vanilla. So this is kind of an alternative to, you know how everyone has those very sweet candied potatoes, which there's nothing wrong with that. But not everybody wants that all the time. So we're going to add just a little bit of sugar and always that little dash of salt. All right. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of butter. And for the surprise ingredient, I did not even tell Dee about this. You want to know what the surprise ingredient is?
I'm ready in all ears.
Cream cheese.
Woo! Now that's different.
Yeah, just a little bit. All right.
That's going to add to the creaminess.
Yes, it adds a distinct flavor. It adds to the creaminess. So I will be warming this up just a little. So I do have this recipe on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. And those of you who watch my channel should know by now, when I cook, I throw it together. But for those of you who do need more specific directions, you have them on my website. Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and work this butter in. The butter is softened, so it's just kind of melting in here. The potatoes, they are warm. Cream cheese, and add it in there. All right. I also want to add just a touch of brown sugar. And if I had it,
so this is a sweet. This is actually a sweet mashed potato as opposed to savory.
Yes. So yeah, it is a sweet mashed potato, but it's not quite as sweet as the candied sweet potatoes would be. It's so beautiful. All right.
I can see it. It is very beautiful, actually.
So I'm going to go ahead, taste this to see if I need to make any adjustments. Okay. All right, I think it's just right. It's not too sweet, but it's a little sweet. You got the cream cheese in there. You got the butter. So I'm going to go ahead and plate it up. Oops. Kind of messed up on that one. So these are my purple sweet potatoes. Very yummy and delicious and very nutritious. All right. Here you go, Dee. Take a bite. I wish we had teletransportation so I could send some of this to Dee. Dee from New York City. So thank you for joining us today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like.
And thank you for having me. I really enjoyed myself.
Oh, you're welcome. I appreciate you coming.
Are definitely a very wonderful chef.
Oh, thank you.
Can't wait to actually be there with you in person.
I know. That'll be great. You can eat my potatoes, and I can eat your Caribbean food.